Alright guys, now I'm going to show you the new mod on the truck. It's a really cool simple mod you can do to almost any truck out there, not just my OBS Chevy. So we'll show you that here in just 1 second. And then where is my truck going? What in God's screen? What are you doing with my truck? Going today, guys. Trucks and water here. We're starting this vlog at my favorite place in the whole wide world, Pop's Car Wash. So I'm getting this truck sprayed off tonight. We'll see how the rest of this night goes. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing 100% yet, but we'll see how it goes. But my first weekend off in a while, like a full weekend off, which I'm really happy about. But then it starts back up with work, so that's usually how it goes in the winter time. But like, I save all my vacation days for summer, of course, for all the truck meets and whatnot. So it is what it is. All right, now that the wash is done, we're gonna go film a video for this week, and then we'll go from there. People ask me all the time, where do I find like my cool picture spots I get with my truck and whatnot? And literally, guys, I just drive around sometimes, and some of these spots I just stumble up on, like this one right here. Got the truck, got the train in the background. It's a little railroad track that runs by the railroad. Have this little grassy flat spot, so I'm gonna pull the truck up here and back up kind of where that bridge is and take some pictures right there. But sometimes you just gotta look, guys, and you'll find cool stuff like this. I mean, that's a pretty cool picture, I'm not gonna lie. But you just gotta find cool stuff like that, guys. I mean, it's all over the place. You just gotta kind of look for it. So such an awesome picture. All right, guys, when I sprayed out the truck, I just came back. I washed up, sprayed off the wheels and whatnot with my spray detailer from Turtle Wax, and then I did my, my usual cleaning of the windshield and the windows and whatnot to make them look a little bit better, stuff like that. But so we're gonna start heading our way over to the truck meet. So I have a bone to pick with Walmart. I just went in there and bought myself a new LifeProof case for my iPhone X. I only run LifeProof. I ran Autobox before, but I didn't like it because it'll still let stuff in behind the screen. I know some people have good things about LifeProof, some have bad things, but I never had an issue with LifeProof. Well, I go in there and I buy a LifeProof case, $65, not a cheap case. I go back to the truck, open it up, and it's a used case. It's been dropped, corners have been nicked and chipped and scratched up, and they sold as a brand new one. So I went back in there, got my money back, and bought another one. But it's not Walmart's fault. I guess just the employee that doesn't give a crap, which kind of sucks. But make sure you check your cases, guys. Damn, Nate, you got that thing wide as shit. Dear Lord, that truck is wide. We got Nathan behind me in his GMC Sierra 1500. I think it's a 2012, I believe, on a 22x14. That thing is wide as crap, and it makes me want 22x14s that much more. So we'll see what happens in 2019. But anyways, we're heading over to this truck meet. Automotive Photography Group has done it. I'm gonna see what it's all about and see if it's like what I think it is and stuff. So hopefully we can restart the truck meets back here in East Tennessee, except for like Rod Run, because I'm tired of the truck meets being crappy to where you can't do anything and people doing burnouts, getting the cops called on us and whatnot. But maybe this one will be different and it'll be a good time. So we're heading out that way, and we'll see what happens. The one good thing I figured out about convoying with like one more truck or like 12 trucks is usually when people see two modified trucks roll up on them with bright ass lights and whatnot, they usually move out of your way. So you can get somewhere pretty quickly. I mean, we're not going like fast. We're doing about 65, 68 miles, 69, 70 miles an hour, but people usually get out of our way. There's Nathan right behind me. We're doing good. right, so for people that are wondering, that are new to the channel, what my lighting setup is on my truck, I've got a third blacked out light back there with a cargo light. I'll show you here in right this second. As you can see, it's got the cargo lamp, plus in the middle is the red for the brakes. I've got stock tail lights for right now. I'm going to change those out soon with a third brake light underneath there. It's got one little bulb missing, so I'm probably changing out that soon. Rock lights are Op 7 Quantum series. As you can see, they're a dual one, so dual lights. They're really freaking bright, I can tell you that much. Like, dang, those are bright. But they work fantastic. Absolutely love them. They do change colors, but no phone app, they change colors. I got LEDs on my mirrors that actually blink when you do your turn signal. All up front's Op 7 lighting, amber turn signal / fog / LED headlights and LED high beams. As you can see, they run fantastic and they're pretty bright. I mean, it's nice and light out, don't get me wrong, but as you can see, they're pretty daggum bright. So that's kind of my lighting setup on the truck, guys. Absolutely love it. The LED lights really help out when it comes to the window tint. I got, you know, 35 on the windshield, 5% brow, and then 5% all the way around the truck. Really helps out a lot with that. But yeah, trucks look so daggum good at night. I love it when it's at night. All right, guys, now I'm going to show you the new mod on the truck. It's a really, really cool, simple mod you can do to almost any truck out there, not just my OBS Chevy. So we'll show you that here in just 1 second, and then where's my truck going? What in God's green? What are you doing with my truck?
Can I help you?
What are you doing with my truck?
Just taking it for a spin.
What do you mean you're taking it for a spin?
Since I'm your babe and all.
Huh?
Yeah.
All right, you all know where we're at. We're in Mexico. Come on, open up. Come on, come on. All right, y'all know where we're at. We're back in Mexico. Gonna show around babe around the farm. I'm gonna miss this place when they sell it. There's a lot of memories in here. So I just showed her around the farm real quick. Y'all know about the farm. There wasn't anything exciting we did anyways. But how'd you like the farm, babe?
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's so sad they're selling it. I don't want it to go. There's so many memories here. So many good times. So many good times. But we're gonna make our way to do whatever now. So we're
gonna go eat.
Eat, yeah. I hope you all enjoy the little skit I did with her. A lot of you have been wondering where I've been some weekends. Like, I've been kind of AWOL, maybe a little bit of Saturday or all of Saturday, a little bit of Sunday or all of Sunday. Mostly because I've been at work. If y'all don't know, I work commercial construction and we're finishing up a job right now, which means to push. So we're working like 6-7 days a week. On top of school, college, and on top of doing this. So anyways, anyways, she's gonna be part of the channel more often, especially in the vlog part. I'm gonna bring her along, of course, for the vlogs and all that stuff, and whatnot. She also drives a truck, so we'll be revealing her truck very soon. Just be patient on that, guys. We're working on some stuff with it, anyways. So we'll be doing kind of a full reveal of her truck, like review video, truck review, something like that. But yeah, she's gonna bring a very different aspect to a lot of topics that I'm really excited about, because, you know, it's one thing if, like, I talk about something, you mother of... It's one thing if I talk about something, but it's a completely different other thing if she has a different view on it. I wouldn't get two different views on things, you know? You can think one way, but completely miss it a whole different way. So it's gonna be really cool about topics like that. Of course, we're gonna be skit videos and stuff like that, and little, like, stuff in the vlogs like we just did earlier in this video. I'm gonna say this right now, is that any woman that's on the channel ever, not just her, I do not tolerate disrespect. If there's gonna be disrespect in the comments, I'm gonna delete and block the comments, and if it gets really bad, I'm gonna report the person. Guys, I think of you all as my family. as my second family. And all of you, 95% of all you are very respectful and very accommodating when it comes to the channel and people on and whatnot. The other 10 to 5% I will not tolerate when it comes to her or any girl on the channel for that matter. Keep your comments to yourself. That's basically what it is. I really don't want to hear it. She doesn't want to hear it. And if it gets to the point where I have to block and report people, then I will. And I will take the necessary steps from there. But I'm just throwing that out there, guys. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I want to thank y'all so much for the recent support and everything, guys. Y'all been killing it, even though my video schedule has been like kind of wishy-washy the past few days. But I want to thank y'all for that. So thank y'all so much for that. Hope y'all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.